welcome to class time. Dear friends, we are learning about class 9 geography, unit 2, that is human geography, that and chapter wise it is chapter 2. We have already seen the introduction part of the chapter where we learned about human race, human origin and human race, where we came across learning that there are three types of human race, and from there the subdivisions came up. In case you have not watched, you will find it in the playlist I button. You may watch it from there, dear friends. Today we are going to see the religious composition, the major religions of the world. Dear friends, starting about human race, we came across that people were united, people were formed, people were kept in groups, different groups, and those groups were united. They came in group, and one thing kept them united was they were physically same. Okay, the physical characteristics, the people with the curly hair were in one group, people with the straight hair were in one group, people with dark skin were in one group. That way the physical characteristics kept them united. Now one more thing kept them united is that the set of belief, the belief system, dear friends. When one or two people are coming together and they have same type of belief, they form a group. So a belief system also kept these people united, and that way this belief system is termed as religion. The definition from your book says a set of rules and morals that guide people to live their life on earth is termed as religion. Okay, now this way looking into the groups, sets of rules and morals, and if we see the groups of people, there are we can find so many religions. Okay, so many small religion, bigger religion. Okay, many groups, small groups, bigger groups, that way. But among them few of the religions are worth mentioning, like Hinduism, Islam, Christian, Buddhism, Judea. Okay, these are some of the worth mentioning, and among this also four religions are considered as the major religion, because these four religions cover total of the world population. 75%, okay, 75% of the world population is being covered by these four religions, and rest 25% of the world population is covered by the other small religions. And which are these four major religions? They are Hinduism, Christian, Islam and Buddhism. These four religions are considered to be the major religions, dear friends. Now if we try to see them part by part, okay, what do we find? The Hindu religion is considered to be the oldest religion, dear friends. India is the birthplace, which is located on the east side of the river Indus. Hindu religion is the only religion which is named after its birthplace, dear friends. As for the origin of this particular religion, if we see 5000 years ago, that is during the Vedic period only, Hindu religion first evolved. This particular religion is based on a belief system in many gods and goddesses, dear friends. And one more thing this paragraph gives us, that a religion carries many physical, mental ideas and also cultural practices, and that is what this Hindu religion had been doing. Okay, it had been carrying many of the physical and mental ideas of the people and cultural practices of the people throughout. Moreover, Aryans and Dravidians also belong to this particular religion. According to the data of 2006, census data 2006, the total number of Hindu population is 90 crore, which is the in the world's percentage, if we see, which is 14% of the world population, and Ved is the holy book of this particular religion. The next religion that we are going to see is Christian religion. This Christian religion is considered to be the largest in number in the world, and some 2000 years back this particular religion started centering the Greek and Roman civilization. Christian religion follows one God belief system, that is monotheistic, and this religion spread throughout the world through the missionary activities. Dear friends, Christian religion has two divisions, that is Roman Catholic and Protestant. Total 1/3 of the world population is covered by the Christian people. 2006 census says 213 crores people are belonging to this particular religion. Bible is the holy book of Christian religion. The next religion we are going to see is Islam. 1400 years ago this particular religion started, and this is considered as second largest in its group. The religion was formed in desert region of Middle East, and slowly it spread to Africa, South Asia, Southeast Asia, led by its founder Prophet Muhammad. This religion, Islam religion, also follows one God belief system, believe in one God, and this religion also has two types. They are Shiites and Sunnis. According to the 2006 census, 135 crores people belong to this particular religion, which is 21% of the world's population. Quran is the holy book of this particular religion. Next, let's see the Buddhist religion, which is another major religion among the four. Around 2500 years ago, Buddhist religion was formed, and it is a reform from Hinduism, and it started in Bodh Gaya, that is North Indian region, under the leadership of Gautam Buddha. This religion also has two divisions. They are Hinayana and Mahayana. According to the 2006 census, 38 crore people belong to this particular religion, which is, according to the words percentage, as for the percentage, 6% of the world population. Slowly this religion spread from India to Bhutan, China, Sri Lanka, and Southeast Asia. Tripitaka is the holy book of this particular religion. So dear friends, that's all in this particular video, and the question for you all to solve is, name the holy books of all the four major religions. And also the second question is, write the divisions of Christian religion, Islam religion, and Buddhism. All these three religions are having two divisions each. Okay, please do write those divisions. So thank you very much, dear friends. See you people in the next class. Till then, take care.